Last Christmas, at the very last minute, I did a video tutorial on my Instagram stories showing how to do finger knitting to either make some little wreath gift toppers or to make a garland. And it was really popular, so I thought I would share a video on YouTube and on my blog showing how to do some finger knitting. So I'm using Lion brand Wool Ease yarn. It's the Thick and Quick. So you're going to start with a tail that's, maybe like 10 to 12 inches long, just so you have plenty of room. And you're going to knit on one hand and then use the other hand for wrapping the thread. So you're going to have the yarn positioned between your thumb and your finger of whatever your non-dominant hand is. So if you're left-handed, you can position it like this and just work in reverse. So then we're going to wrap around the index finger, behind the middle, above the ring, around the pinky, in front of the middle, and back to the beginning again. And then we're going to do that twice. Wrap until you have 2 pieces of yarn around each finger. And then starting from the index finger, we're going to take the bottom piece of yarn and put it over. Just like that. And this is the same motion that we're going to do over and over again. Make sure you don't pick up the tail. We just want to leave that. And you want to keep working with your working yarn. And then we're going to do the same thing again. Wrap it around until we have 2 pieces of yarn, and then put the bottom piece over. And the back is just going to look like a mess for a little bit. So just keep going. So what you start seeing sort of looks like this ladder here with braids on either end, which doesn't look like traditional finger knitting garland. But once you start pulling it out a little bit, then you start to see that finger knitting shape. I'm going to show you how to take this off, and we'll turn this into just a little mini wreath present topper. So what we're going to do is cut off the end, again, leaving a generous tail. And then to get it off of your fingers, you can use really anything. I'm just gonna use a pen or a pencil. You can also use like a crochet hook or a knitting needle, but everybody has a pencil. And you're going to transfer all 4 loops over to the pencil. And then you can put it on one finger. And then we're going to thread the end through those 4 loops. And that just secures them all, kind of ties it off. And then to make it into a little present topper, we'll just tie the ends together. Like that. And tie it in a little bow. These are super quick, very easy, and a nice little homemade Christmas project.